Hey yo, swag, I'm about to kill it. AD Young, I'm finna get it. Black and white diamonds, man, I swear it look like penguins. I stay eating good like them Indians and them pilgrims. You know it's fucking over like a quarterback when he kneeling. Yeah, nigga, she willing, man, I swear to God, she willing. Let a nigga hit it, she will let a nigga flip it. My chopper knock your top off, yeah, have your body dripping. My flow kill the beat, now a nigga feeling guilty. Hold on, we in this bitch, hold on, we up in here. Must be lyrical minds, niggas watching niggas shed a tear. Man with a horse on all my gear. I know some niggas that's gon' shoot like Allen and Pierce. I'm like Indiana Jones the way I keep big whips. I like the girl with the big ass elephant hips, who can shake it, drop it low and earn all her tips. And if I bought it in the club, I'ma let it rip. Hold on, and if I show you a chain, you may get blind. I pull your girl fast and I won't let me try. I never drop dimes, but I fuck dimes. Smoking on that summer kush, make it look like it's beach time. I know I told you before, but let me rewind. Rap God, I consider this world mine. I know I told you before, but let me rewind. Rap God, I consider this world mine.